Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to check hidden replies on Twitter. Let's begin. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Open your X app, then tap on any post you want to see its hidden replies. I will tap on this post. There you can see the option near follow or following. You can see the option of three dot icon. There, tap on it. Here you can see the option of view hidden replies. Tap on it. There is no hidden reply over here, but you can see it over there by doing this process only. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.